I'm Mike Figaro. I'm an equine veterinarian based out of New Jersey. I'm a 97 alumni from the University of Pennsylvania. I did my internship at the University of Guelph and my surgery residency at Purdue University. I have a 3-person ambulatory practice in New Jersey. We are predominantly sports medicine, but we also do a general practice as well. I've been using the Hilltop products, I guess it's probably a year to a year and a half, somewhere in that region. I have used other Amnion products. I have been a big fan of Amnion products. My first case of Amnion I used for a chronic summer sore that had been surgically debrided. It was well over several years old. And I was absolutely amazed at the response to it with very little work on the veterinarian side. And it kind of gave me a refound interest in regenerative properties. Since then, I've been trying to use regenerative and Amnion products as much as I can, and I've been very, very happy with the Hilltop products. So what's really nice about the Hilltop products is that we can keep them in the truck and have them at the ready for us. I do like for soft tissue injuries, I like using it in those properties. Also intra-articular. I have used other Amnion products where I haven't been as happy with the ability for the animal to tolerate some of the products placed in the joint. However, I've not had that experience with the Hilltop products. I've also used it regional limb perfusion as well. I think they have to work. I have to feel confident that it's going to do something, especially when we put a price point to it as well. And then to that point, the second part of it is it worth the value? And none of our treatments are inexpensive, so price winds up being a factor. And I've been very happy with where Hilltop has priced their products to add that into my arsenal, because there's usually not just one thing that's being done on these horses, multiple multimodality type of treatments. I've been very happy. I have no concerns with its usage. Honestly, if I had any concerns about safety, it'd be human error on my part, but not on the efficacy of the products, not in the safety and quality of it. I've actually been very, very happy with it. I feel like, especially in soft tissue injuries, when I re-ultrasound these horses, and I'm old enough that I remember when we didn't have all the treatments for our soft tissue injuries, we waited 6-8 months and then we'd re-ultrasound and see where they were, and sometimes we're disappointed with the results with it. And I'm seeing responses in faster periods of time, 2-3 months, that I might not see if I did a conservative approach at 6 or 8 months with it. So that's where I really like it. Now, I would say I'm still very conservative about putting the horses back into work. But on the flip side, if I have a normal tendon or ligament, I shouldn't necessarily be fearful of that. So I actually used Marco as a case scenario. Here's a horse that's in his mid-20s, as I know it, has had multiple different soft tissue injuries. He's on the tail end of his career, and it really has helped him quite a bit in terms of comfort. It's helped him in terms of regeneration, healing. I never anticipate that these soft tissues are ever going to heal back to their normal. I think that would be foolish to think that, but to just keep this horse going and doing more. This owner probably will always pamper this horse, and he'll never ever work back to his capability, but we've done more than one treatment on him, and I feel like that has really helped him quite a bit. Where I really like these regenerative products, particularly the Hilltop product, is for my older horses that I'm worried about Cushing's, or I should say PPID, and other metabolic diseases. As long as I can offer that, I'm old enough that we used to just have steroids. Now we have other things in our arsenal, and this is a great product to have in our bag of tricks. I think you just have to try it. I think there's enough people out there using it and have had great results with it. I think obviously cost always plays a role with it, but we have to see what they're doing. The only way we're going to advance as a industry is trying different products with it. I don't think you should feel concerned. Certainly call somebody who has used it, find out what they've liked and disliked with it, but there should be really no reason not to try it. They're always extremely helpful. They have answered my calls while in the field when I have a stupid question that I either forgot that I already knew the answer to. Pretty much everybody's available whenever you need it, and there's no question. It's an easy answer.